Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, a very warm and cheerful good morning to everyone present here. Myself, Adya Vachani, welcome you all to today's assembly.
Join your hands and close your eyes for prayer. Myself, Priya Pongya. Today we, the students of grade 2, are going to talk on the theme technology, master or servant. Technology has become a big part of our daily life, from waking up with alarms to studying online and connecting with people. We are surrounded by technology everywhere, but the question is, are we using technology wisely? Let's explore this beautiful journey.
Now I would like to call my friend Dira for today's thought. Myself Dira, studying second A. Today I would like to give thought of the day. Technology is a useful servant, but a dangerous master. Meaning of the thought. It means that technology is helpful when we control and use it wisely. But it can become harmful if it starts controlling us. Thank you, Dira, for such a wonderful thought. Now I would like to call my classmate Deshna for the speech.
Myself Desna, studying in second day. Today I would like to give you speech on today's topic technology. Master or servant, in today's modern world, technology has made life easier, faster and more comfortable. We can learn new things, communicate across the world and achieve great success with just a click. But at the same time, overuse of technology is creating problems. People are becoming less active, spending more time on screens and slowly losing real life connections. Technology is not wrong. The way we use it makes all the differences.
Thank you, Deshna, for the amazing speech. Now I would like to call Rehanshi.
I would like to call my classmates for dance.
Let's watch a dance on technology.
It was a great performance. Now, I would like to call Harivansh for the conclusion.
Conclusion. So dear friends, let us promise to use technology wisely. Let us not become slaves of screens, but master of our own lives. Balance is the key. Use technology for growth, not for addiction. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed our performance.
Thank you for watching us live.